And today, special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this magnetic wall lamp. This is a 2-pack of wall lamps, as you can kind of see, would be pretty good for mounting and having at your bedside. They have adjustable brightness. They also have a timer, and you can see a little bit of the specs here. Flicker-free, glare-free LED, 2-hour fast charging by USB, mounts on the wall, 1 button on and off, and color switch, warm white or daylight white light. Same picture there that's here, and just a little bit of the installation specs here and what comes inside of the box. So you can see they're 2000 milliamp hours, and that is your little wall sconce small lamp 2-pack white sticker. So let's open this on up. And oh, look at that, very nice. So we got a couple of things of double-sided 3M stickers here. Little 3M adhesive is not suitable information. And then we have 2 included USB-C cables to, of course, charge these devices. 2 included remotes. That's pretty cool. Didn't realize it came with remotes. Then got a nice user's guide here telling you all about it. Screws in case you want to permanently wall mount it through these here. And lastly is the actual wall sconce, as it calls them. So see, here's one little magnetic base, really cool. And here is the other one, cool. And that's it for the box. Look around them. As I mentioned, this is magnetic, so it'd be very easy to use your screws to mount this to the wall and have it permanently mounted somewhere. It just pops right on. Now this looks to be your sensor. This is your USB-C port, and this is your power button. Wow, very nice. So nice, bright light. Really, really like how this looks. Love the design. Nice, just round ball, like pretty freaking cool. So of course, I've got to show you what these look like mounted. So I'm gonna mount one of these and show you what it looks like right here. Okay, so I'm taking my little magnetic light and hit the power button once. See it cut on, and that cuts it off. So that's slightly less bright, more bright, both on, etc. So you can see this one just puts on the middle light, this one puts on the outside ring, and that one puts on both lights, and then that's off. So there's also a remote though, so I'm gonna cut these lights, and there we go. So that's the power. Power button cuts on both, and you can see it's pretty bright in here. And if I walked by this, it would definitely light up the room. Then we can take the brightness down, which that's the lowest level, and then medium, high. And then there's also timers, so you can set it for an hour or 2 hours, and LED 1, LED 2, etc. depending on which one you want on. Like if you just want LED 1 on, which is the center, you'll get this much light from it. If you want that off and you want LED 2 on, LED 2 is the ring. It is much, much brighter. And of course, also with the sensor, it can detect motion. That will essentially do it for this little magnetic wall sconce light. Really, really like it. I'm going to use mine like this, so that way when I walk in front of this sensor, it'll cut on. So that'll do it for this light. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.